In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable Reels translation on Instagram. First of all, launch open Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to disable the Reels translation, what you have to do is simply go to the settings. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. In order to access the settings, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for your app and media. You'll be able to find the option for language and translations at fourth. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options related with language and translations. You can see over here, you'll be able to find this section for Reels translations. You'll not be able to directly disable the Reels translation, but you'll be able to choose the language you prefer to keep untranslated. So simply tap on this option, don't translate, that you can see on the screen. Now you can choose the languages that you do not want to be translated. So what you have to do is simply check on the language that you do not want to be translated. If you do not want to use the Reels translation feature at all, simply check on all the boxes. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply go back. The changes will be saved. Now the Reels will not be translated. Also, you can disable the translation for the text. For that, what you have to do is toggle off this button right next to the option Translate Text on Reels. Likewise, you can also disable the voice translation. For that, toggle off the button right next to the option Translate Voice. Now after you do that, the Reels translation will be disabled. So like this, you'll be able to disable the Reels translation. So that is how you disable Reels translation on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.